So before this video gets started, if you want a super easy way to make money right now, there's an app called Get Upside. They pay you money to upload a picture of your gas receipt every time you go to the gas station, you fill up gas. All you have to do is go to one of the gas stations in the app, take a picture of your receipt, and you'll get up to 25 cents back per gallon that you fill up. So I'm talking like a couple bucks back every single time you fill up gas. And if you use my link and code, you'll get an additional 15 cents back per gallon. So that means on the first time you fill up, you'll get up to 40 cents back per gallon. I use it, and you can redeem the cash for Amazon gift cards, Starbucks, Dunkin' Donuts, PayPal money, or just sent directly to your bank account, or even a check sent to your door. Yeah, even a check sent to you. But yeah, the app is called Get Upside. Please use the link. You will not regret it. Stop paying full price for gas. And yeah, you can start making money today. So use the link down below. Okay, now let's get on to the video. Hi, you here for an Uber? Yeah. What's your name? Kevin. Okay, yeah, you can get it. Get on the other side. What's up? Hey, oh, do you not have a mask?
No, is that a problem or?
Yeah, you need a mask.
I don't have one, so.
Okay, well, you're gonna have to cancel because Uber requires everyone to wear masks now. I don't know if you heard, but you have to wear a mask, both drivers and riders.
I don't have one, so why can't you just cancel it?
No, because that way I'll get cancellation charge. So can you?
Okay,
can you just?
Is that my problem?
Can you just cancel the ride and order a new one?
Why would I have to cancel the ride?
Because you don't wear a mask.
Can you just take me, dude? It's literally like 2 minutes over there.
Dude, I don't care. I'm not risking. Can you get out, please?
Who's the one who has a terrible job as Uber? Freaking you pay.
Dude, no. You know what? You have to cancel the ride because I can't do this. I have a cancellation rating.
Really?
Yes. You know what? I have one spare mask.
No, I'm using your dirty ass thing. No.
It's brand new. It's my last one. I was gonna give it to my mom, but here, take it. You can use it.
Can you just take me to my
Wear
place?
the mask, please.
I'm not using it anyways. You would have gotten sick anyway, so it doesn't matter.
Wear the mask. It's a law. It's a new law.
Freaking no.
Hey, you can't throw that at me. That's assault.
Dude, it's a mask.
You just threw this at me. Are you serious?
Assault. Wow, you're so freaking like.
Dude, what am I doing?
Tough skin, bro.
Can you just get out of my car?
No, freaking just take me, dude.
Lady, there's a witness right there. She just saw you assault me. I have to cancel this ride, okay? Where's my phone?
Bruh.
Where's my phone?
Are you serious right now?
Yes, I'm serious.
Can you just take me, please?
No, get out. Get out of my car. Leave my car, okay? This is an Uber. Can you please get out?
No. Can you just take me to our freaking location, please?
Just get out.
Are you gonna like throw that at me or something?
I forgot I can't even drink my coffee. Okay, I'm not gonna give you a ride, okay? The ride's over. I already canceled it.
You didn't. I know that you didn't.
I did. It's over. Get out.
No, freaking leave me, bro.
I'm calling Uber, reporting you. I'm reporting you. Just get out! Get out of my car! Get out of my car! I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna take you out. I'm gonna get.
Really?
Just get out. Get out.
Bruh.
Get out of my car right now.
Screw you, bro.
What are you doing?
That's what you get.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Dude, you just.
Freaking.
Get out of my car! Get out! Get out! Go! 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 Get out! Dude, they were all looking at us.
How did that look? Was that good?
Yeah, I was gonna get in the front.
Oh, that shit was. Oh my god.
Anyways, get the seat back. Alright guys, that was completely fake, by the way. Yeah. But honestly, you do need to wear your mask if you are driving for Uber or riding with Uber. But shout out to Kevin, he's back. If you guys don't remember him, Kevin was on the channel a lot back in the early days, so we wanted to make this video. And I'm soaking wet. I'm literally soaking.
I'm sorry.
Dude, it looks like I peed myself. But everybody, go subscribe to Kevin. He does have a YouTube channel, and he's posting vlogs that are really, really good. So I'm going to leave a link down below to Kevin's YouTube channel. And yes, guys, again, this was fake, but thank you all for watching. Have a great, amazing day, everyone.
Peace.
Later, guys. Thanks for being in the video, Kevin.
No problem, bro.
All right, cool.